Hi, it's Laser and Sun Design, and today I'm trying to fix my LCD screen. Alright, so I bought the new LCD screen. As you see, this is the thing. That's the shit. Don't touch. Oh my god, I touched it. Okay, and it was delivered with this protection foil, and it feels so good. It feels so good. I want. Okay, forget this. Okay, to be honest with you, I never done this before, but I'm gonna try. So don't flame me and don't call me a noob. Okay, so first we need to, I think, we need to get rid of this battery, and then I actually don't know how it works, but I think first you need to remove this plastic pieces like this. Yeah, I got strong fingernails, as you can see. Fuck. Maybe I broke it, I don't know. We will see later. That's the way. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks like underneath. Yeah, I think we need to remove all these screws, right? See them here. So how it got broken, they braked it on the airport as I was traveling back from St. Petersburg, Russia, and yeah, I was not really happy about it because I wasn't able to fab on that evening, you know. It was really sad. So
actually, I think that it was like a month without fapping for you.
Oh, I think you don't even need to remove the last one. Am I right, or I don't know? Let's see. Or maybe. No, I got to remove this, okay. Yeah, sorry, I mean, I never done this before, like I said, but it's as usual, try and error, you know. Okay, so I need to be careful here, because this is webcam, so I need to remove this, maybe. Yeah, okay. Okay, so as you can see, really easy and simple. There's another thing what I need to do is replace this metal part so I can hang the new screen. Okay, so here it is, the old LCD made in China. Here is also a protection foil. I'm not gonna remove that because maybe a year later I will remove that and your screen will be clean again.
Your life got hacked!
Because I hate cleaning. Here we go. Easy. Maybe I should remove this, I don't know. I hope it won't break the screen. By the way, if you wanna know where I got the screen from, I can tell you. Just ask me, I will give you a link. Fuck this. Yeah, just pin it in, like so. I hope I didn't break the wire before, because I used probably more force than needed.
What kind of an asshole would put a sticker right on the screen? That's what I question myself.
Yeah, I mean...
You just gotta be fucking with people's minds, like, yeah, let's put it right on the screen. So you can't fab for a month.
I mean, you know, if it happens here...
That's right, the spot where the YouPorn window is opened.
or the volume, you know. Oh shit. Yeah, so just screw it up, you know. This is not a big deal. Every human should be able to do this. Otherwise you're an ape or something, I don't know.
Otherwise you put your cat into the microwave.
By the way, you can ask me in 3 languages, in German, Russian and English, which I speak fluently and without an accent.
Each one of them.
Each one of them. Okay, so let's see if it worked. Ooh. Now I'm afraid, but let's see. Way! It works! We've made it, guys, we made it. The fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Oh, that's some Chinese shit going on there.
I love Chinese people. No, I really do, it's not sarcasm. Windows is not an original product. Who buys Windows anyway, you know?
Here's the best part of this. I really love this one. Just put the sticker right on the screen. Software.
We've made it, guys, we've made it. So now you know how to replace the LCD. It was a lot easier as I thought it would be.
How much did you pay?
About €50. So not much.